What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys this powerful V75 strategy. This is a volatility 75 index strategy that is going to help you make some really good trades, because it is a swing trading strategy. It allows you to hold for hours while it's doing the trade, which means you're going to be getting a lot of those pips in V75. And as you all know, guys, V75 has got the most highest pip value, which means that each and every penny that you're going to earn from this strategy is going to be multiplied a lot more than the usual indices that you were trading. So we're gonna try out and install this strategy together step by step, and I'm gonna tell you the conditions that have to be met for you guys to enter into either a buy trade or a sell trade on V75. This is going to be one of the best V75 strategies, guys, and I want you to watch out the whole video up to the end so that you don't miss any of the important notes that I'm going to be saying in this video. Before we start, as usual, please make sure you click that subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post these great strategies right here on this channel. We're currently running a promotion of whereby if you subscribe and if you like this video, you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number to show that you have liked and you've subscribed, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group for free. Yes, for free, guys. All you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and I'll send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to get that WhatsApp number from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the Telegram channel in the description box below, and you can simply join the Telegram channel for free. It's a community of over 8,000 traders in there, so be sure to be part of it so that you don't miss any of the trading materials that I post in that channel. Okay, it's completely free to join, by the way. Okay, so let's get back to today's business. I want to teach you guys this V75 strategy that you can use in your 1 hour time frame. Just imagine, guys, the 1 hour time frame. It means you're going to be in line with the trend. You're going to catch the trend, you're going to move in line with it, and you're going to exhaust V75 until it gives you all the money it has to give whenever you enter into a trade. So that's what I'm going to discuss throughout this video. I'll share with you the settings that you see on the screen. I'll share with you the conditions, and I'll share with you the psychology behind trading V75. Okay, I'll also try and teach you guys the lot sizes and the positions depending on your account size, so that you don't suffer any losses. But I would advise you guys that by the end of this video, you go practice this strategy on your demo accounts first before moving on to a real account. So once you're comfortable with this strategy on your demo, then you can jump in straight to real trading so that you can make some real money. Okay, so I'll remove all the indicators that I have right now, and then we'll do the step-by-step process of installing this strategy. So as you can see, I have a blank chart. This is V75 1 hour time frame. Let me just remove some of these arrows. They're from my previous trades that I was taking, so I don't want to confuse you guys. And all the trades are actually hitting some tech profits. And by the way, guys, I have a third channel where I am teaching currencies trading and Nasdaq trading in depth. Please be sure to check it out. I'll leave the link to that third YouTube channel in the description box as well, so that you can learn the basics of trading. You understand what we mean when we say trade in line the trend, the pips, what we mean when we say pip value, what we mean when we say we have 100 companies put together into one stock to form Nasdaq. All those facts and information that you really need to have in your mind, running at the back of your mind when trading, right? So let's start installing this strategy. I'm gonna start off by installing the first indicator, which is a moving average, and this moving average is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. That is a period of 40, a shift of 0, a method of simple, apply to close, and then the color or the styling. I chose the color red, for this one. You can pick any color of your choice, maybe after you have mastered this strategy. For now, please try and install these strategies in with the same colors and the same styling as mine. And then I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, we now have that red line running across our charts. Moving on, we're going to install a MACD. So I'm going to go to indicators, then look for the MACD, and the MACD is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. That is a fast EMA of 12, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 9, apply to close. And then on the styling, we're not going to have any levels for this one, so we're going to leave the levels blank like you see. But the styling for this one, the main is going to have a blue color, and then the signal is going to have a red color like that. Okay, once you're done, you can pause this video, take screenshots, you can write somewhere down so that you don't miss any of the settings. So we're going to click on done, and as you can see, our strategy is starting to form, right? We now have the MACD right here at the bottom with our lines that we need, which is good. And moving on, we're going to need another indicator window, so we're going to go to indicators. This time we're going to click where it says main window, and we're going to look for the stochastic oscillator. So this is the stochastic oscillator right here, and it is going to have the following properties. So it's going to have a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, a price field of close / close, a method of exponential, and then on the levels, we're going to need a level 20, level 50, and level 80, right? And then on the styling, we're going to need our main and our signal color to have the same color as your background color. So I have a white background. That's why you see that my main and my signal are all white. Okay, so you're just going to pick white for them. If you have a black background, then you can click or choose the color black on your colors. But if you have a white background like me, make sure it's white, such that when you click on done, you will have this blank indicator window only showing your levels, your level 80, level 50, and level 20 that we installed, and nothing else inside. Because inside we're going to add another indicator. So click on indicator window 2 this time, and then we're going to look for an indicator called the envelopes, and they are going to have the following properties. The period is going to be 14, the shift is going to be 0, the deviation is going to be 0.1 or 0.100, and then the method is going to be simple, and then we're going to apply to close, and then no levels for this one, so we'll leave it blank on levels. And then the styling, the upper band should be blue, and then the lower band will be red, right? These are the final settings for these envelopes or for this indicator. And then you're going to click on done, and you should have something like this on your charts, the upper band and the lower band, as you can see down there. And this means that we have successfully installed our strategy. What's basically left is knowing when you should buy and when you should sell V75. These are the conditions that have to be met. Before I move on to that, guys, if you do not have time to trade on your own, we have an account management program at ATG, whereby we trade on your behalf, your account. So the funds will be in your account. We trade your account, we make profits, and we only split profits. We share profits only, right? I will be personally trading that account. So if you want to participate, if you want to join, you can find more information about this in our Telegram channel. You'll be able to see results of other accounts that we are trading, results of our student accounts, and you'll be able to also find my WhatsApp number so that you get to hear the terms and conditions that we operate with in our account management program. You can also join our mentorship program where I teach you one-on-one how I personally trade and the trades that I will be personally taking. Or you can join our signal service where I will be sending you the same trades that I'm entering and we can enter in them together, right? So we have so many services that are going on in our company that will help you grow your account. So you shouldn't be trading alone. You shouldn't be trading blindly. You shouldn't be losing any of your money, because we have so many services that you can try and fit into. If you can't fit into account management, you can try mentorship. If you can't fit into mentorship, you can try signals. If you can't fit into signals, you can try our COVID trading program. So there's so many opportunities that we're trying to give to you guys so that you don't trade on your own and so that you don't lose any of your funds. Okay? So let's talk about this strategy. What has to happen? What needs to be done? The first thing that I want to clarify on is you're going to be using a 1 hour time frame. Okay? You're going to be using a 1 hour time frame, and there are going to be 3 conditions that have to be met for you to enter a trade with this strategy. The first condition is you want your blue and red line at the bottom there to be above or within the 80 level, right? That's where I have highlighted, if you can see. The second condition is you want your candlesticks to cross to be below the red line. These are the conditions for a sell, right? You want your candlesticks to cross to be below that red line, like I indicated there. And then finally, you want your MACD to first be pointing down like this, and then have the bars below 0, or basically have the MACD cross to be below 0, and then you can enter into a sell trade. Okay, those three conditions form a sell trade. Let's look for another sell condition. Let's look for another sell trade. Okay, right here. Firstly, our envelopes should be above the 80 level, like that. Secondly, you want your candlesticks to cross to be below that red line, like that. And then lastly, you want your MACD to move and be below 0, like that. And as you can see, the market sold all the way down. So with this type of trading, you will be trading in line with the trend, right? Like I said, I'm going to teach you the psychology. I'm going to teach you the lot sizes that you should be using. And basically, I will try and teach you the whole idea of trading, right? Again, we had a sell opportunity here. Now I'm just going to be highlighting. I can't be repeating each and every time. Just going to be highlighting the conditions, and you can see that the market will always push down like that. Same thing a little bit in reverse when you want to buy. This time your upper and lower bands have to be at the 20 level, like that. This time your candlesticks have to cross to be above the red line this time, and also the MACD has to cross to be above 0, like that. And once you have established that, you're going to enter into a buy. It's as simple as that, right? So talking about the lot sizing, you're going to want to use the smallest lot size possible on each and every account. Why? Because you're going to be trading in line with the trend, and you're going to be holding this for quite a while, right? So you wouldn't want any retracements to affect your entry. So it's better to just have the lowest position or the lowest lot size and just hold up until the end. You're not going to be increasing lot sizes. You're just going to be, even if your account balance is growing, just use the same smallest lot size and keep it growing, right? You're not going to change anything. You're just going to be keeping the smallest lot size and keep your account growing. So you're going to be targeting mostly your take profit should be when the upper bands have reached the other side of of your indicator, either coming from the 20 level to the 80 level, or from the 80 level to the 20 level, depending if you are in a buy or if you are in a sell. Right? It's as simple as that. If you guys have any other questions, further questions, comment down below in the description box below. I'll be glad to answer you all those questions. Don't forget to check our third YouTube channel. I'll also leave the link to that channel in the description box below, so that you guys can learn more and grow more. Until next time.